Hey, good morning, guys. This is Pushpak Raj, and today's topic is on the portfolio module of investment banking application. As I'm already told you guys, I have created multiple videos on the investment banking application related all the modules. So today's topic is on the portfolio module. Okay, as we know that there are the multiple brokers in the market like Angel Broking, Zerodha, F Stock, then Share Khan. So everyone provide the particular application for user for trading purposes. Okay, so I am taking also one reference of one application of that. So on that application I have getting that module, that is the portfolio module. So let's see how the portfolio module is working, or what is the portfolio module. Firstly I'll explain what is the portfolio module. As we know that if you have a knowledge about the share market, or you have seen any one applications, I have giving a reference of the Zero. The application is the best on applications. So you can take or see the interface of that application. You can see that option, that is the portfolio module. Okay, so there are the holding and positions option in the portfolio module. So what is the holding and what is the position? Firstly, so whatever the share you can buy or whatever the share you can sell, that will be show in the portfolio or in the holding modules or in the position module. So firstly, what is the holding and what is the position? In the position module you can see the open order, means whatever the order you can put in the market, that order will be showing in the position. Or whatever the orders you have already buy it or it is in the holding, means you can wait for reach on the particular position, that time you can buy that share or you can sell that share. So that whatever that kind of order which will be showing in the holding. So that is basic about the orders, or that is basic about the portfolios details. Okay, so how to create the test case template on the portfolio module, let's see. Okay, this is the test case template of portfolio module. Firstly, the according to every times project name, that is the investment banking application. Module name, portfolio module of investment banking application, created by Pushpak Raj. Is the tester name. Creation date on the 9th August 2023. Reviewed by Ram is a senior authority. You can review that in the 9th August 2023. Okay, let's see the test case template format. Okay, so first one is the test case ID, description, preconditions, step of reproduce, then expected result, actual result, and the final conclusion. There is another one column also, that is the comment. If the at the time of writing down the test cases, we can write down the comment also on that particular step. So I have not mentioned here because there is no need for the video. Okay, so but when you are doing work in the organization, and for organization you can create the test cases, at that time you can create that block also, that is the comment. Okay, okay, let's see. This is the first test cases of the portfolio module, that is the TC stands for test case. 001 stands for the first test case, that's why I mentioned here the 001, and this is the portfolio short form, that is the prop. Okay, let's see description. Portfolio creation and management, how to portfolio create or how to manage it. Okay, so precondition is verify the creating and managing of the portfolio. So the step to reproduce, user is login into the investment banking application. As I am already told you guys, there are the multiple application in the market like Zero, the Stock, Angel Broking. So any one application you have to need to log in. So what is the motto of my, you have taken a reference of any one application, so you can got it that test scripts easily. So for that purpose I'll give you a suggestion that you can use any one application, so it will clear the concept of you guys. Okay, so what is the first step is user is logging into the investment banking application. User is necessary permission, navigate to the portfolio section, create a new portfolio, fill in the portfolio details, add the holding and allocation, review and confirmation. So what are the steps told you guys, I am already told you. Firstly you have an application, or you have an investor, or what we call you are a user of that particular application. Then after than that you have to log in that application, then you can reach on the means after login you can reach on the home page. In the home page there are the portfolio options. In the portfolio option you can navigate that portfolio option, create a new portfolio, fill in the portfolio details. Means fill in the portfolio details means what guys, means you have to add the, or you have to buy the 10 share of particular company, XYZ company, and that shares which will be showing in the portfolio or not, that you have to check here. Okay, so that that is showing in the portfolio or not, that we have to check here. Okay, and whatever the data that will be show, that we have to check here. Means suppose you have to buy the XYZ company share, 10 share of the price 100 rupees, and the whatever the market price is going on, that will be showing in the portfolio. Means detailed description about that sure you have to show it or not, that you have to check here. Okay, so expected result is what? Portfolio is created successfully. Means whatever the portfolio you have created, that portfolio is created successfully, that is our expectation. And actually that portfolio is created successfully means your test case is fast, means that's why I have mentioned here that is the pass. Next move to the next test case, that is the portfolio editing. Means whatever the shares it is in your portfolio, that is holdings or in position, whatever the share which will be present. Okay, so verify editing existing on the portfolio. Verify editing on the existing portfolio means whatever the shares are present in the portfolio, that are editing possible or not, that we have to check here. Okay, so the step to reproduce is like existing portfolio available. Means existing portfolio is available means I'm already told you guys. So whatever the share you can add, that will be present in the portfolio. User is login, navigate to the portfolio section, select the existing portfolio, edit the portfolio detail, save the changes. Portfolio details update successfully and changes are reflected accurately. Means if whatever the editing you have to do on that portfolio, that will be done successfully or not, that we have to check here. So finally what the expected condition is, expected message confirmation message is display. Means whatever the editing you can do on the portfolio section, that done properly, that getting the confirmation message. Here we are actually, but what happening in the expected, we have expected that, but in the actual case we are not getting the confirmation message, that whatever the editing you can done on that, it will not done. Okay, so confirmation message is display. Okay, so test case is false, fail. Means confirmation message display, it is expectation, but confirmation message is not display. Not actually guys, I have forgot to write down here the not. Okay, so I'll clear my mistake here. Firstly, that is not confirmation not message display. Means confirmation message, sorry, confirmation message not display. Means according to my expectation I am not getting the actual result, means test case is fail. Okay, let's move on the next test case, that is the TC003. So portfolio performance. So what is the portfolio performance? Portfolio performance means verify viewing historical performance. Means suppose you have to buying a share of XYZ company before 1 year. Okay, and that share are in the holding position of your portfolio. Okay, so how is the performance of that share? Means what is the value, how much it grow up and how much is going down. Means suppose you have to buy that share in the 10 rupees and it market price is goes on the 25 rupees, or it market price will be going on the minus 5 rupees, or what is the actual fluctuation which will be going on that share, that performance which will be showing here. Means historical performance. Okay, so means in the previous performance, means suppose you have to buy that share on the today's date and you can check it in the next year. Okay, so it is a historical. Means what is the historical? Means previous history of particular thing, that is known as the historical. Means what is the previous thing about that particular share, that is the history of that share. Okay, so that are, we have to check that the performance of that. Okay, so the steps are: user has to portfolio with historical data, navigate to the portfolio section, select the portfolio, access the historical performance data. Historical performance data is displayed accurately, chart graph populated with correct data, or populated or showing the correct data. Okay, so whatever the chart or graph that will be present on that application, that will show the correct data. Okay, so next is user can, means expected result is user is filter data by data range. Okay, so user can easily filter out the data. Means whatever the share they can buy it, they can filter out. Means filter out means when we use the filters guys, you have to use the filter when you have to segregate something. Means what is the fluctuation which will be happening in the particular duration. Suppose you have that share from the 1 year holding. Okay, so in the 6 month, in the first 6 month, what is the performance of that share? After 6 month, what is the performance of that share? In the whole 12 month, how was the performance, on which month the share price which will be going up, and on which month the share price which will be going on the down, that whatever the thing which will be happen on that share, that all the analysis we can do it properly or not, that we have to check here. That is the filter of that application. So user has filter data range, or user can filter data range successfully, means your test case is fast. According to that, this is the final conclusion of the application or the module, portfolio module. According to that, guys, I have created, or I have covered all the topics of investment banking application, because there is a good command of investment banking application of on my. So I'll just suggest it, you can use any one applications, or just watch the videos of the investment banking application related application, so you can getting the idea about how's the investment banking application work. Because maximum vacancy or maximum job vacancy which will be available on the investment banking application related, because this is the boom market nowadays in the IT sector. So for such a kind of videos, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, so you can getting the upcoming videos of investment banking application, or all the